How's it going, gentlemen?
Good, how are you?
Hey, the last couple of nights, I understand you always want to get video because it's part of your job or a hobby. You guys are getting real close. So I'm going to I can ask you to back up a little bit to give them some space, or I can put up tape, right? But that I don't want to, I trust you guys are professional enough to understand, right? So if you don't mind, come over here. You still get a good shot, but you're just not so close to the officers. And then the guy also.
Can I just ask, like, why?
Why we interview? Why would you interview?
I mean, we're just here to document, man.
I know, but you're within a few feet of the people. Last night, I believe you guys went right up to my one of my officers and put the light in their eyes while.
Hey, bro, you can film, but you might just turn off the light for me. It's pretty blinding. Please.
I can't see anything without it, man. It's a visual aid.
Maybe come over here where your boy is at, because he seems to be getting it.
One of my officers and put the light in their eyes while he was trying to watching over a suspect. Okay, so where he wasn't able to see. So that's why I'm saying it's like I understand you want to catch it on video, but you're just getting a little too close. So I'm just asking you. I can put tape up, or I can just ask you to move over on this side. You get a clearer shot. It's just you're not as close. All I'm asking is stand right there, right? Or in the future, right? Give it about 15, 20 feet. Cool?
We're about 20 feet away right now.
Yeah,
25?
We moved them.
Okay.
Right? We moved them.
Alright.
That's what I'm
I
saying.
mean, reasonably, I mean, we all got
Yeah, we're all. Yeah, I know. You have a job to do. I'm just asking you. Let us do our job too.
Nah, I wasn't trying to interfere, man. We just want to record it, dude. That's it.
It's not like we come up and start like...
No,
cleaning up
100%. 100%.
on the
I agree with you. That's why I came up to you, said, called you gentlemen, right?
Yeah.
And come at you fair. I thought, right?
Thank you.
Just I just noticed last night and then tonight. So,
It's good to...
cool.
What's your name, sir? What's your name, sir?
Jim Day.
Jim Day.
Day,
Awesome.
yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
Thanks, guys. What's your guys' names?
Observer?
What?
Observer?
Observer?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's fine. Jose? All right, Mr. Jose. Mr. Observer, Jose, nice to meet you. I don't need this then, right?
No.
Cool. Thank you, guys. I appreciate your cooperation.